Hello guys, welcome to Deepak Parekh Clips. Thank you for clicking on this video. This is one particular clip from the main episode, the link to which is in the description. Please click on it to watch the full video. And meanwhile you're here, enjoy this clip. Why pen paper versus any digital medium?
It's not like I haven't tried digital medium, but I don't believe that a notes app registers your ideas the exact same way or with the exact same efficiency as like your pen to like your mind, hand and paper coordination. It's almost like when you put something down on paper with a pen, you're physically like transferring it here, versus when it's notes, there's like a lot of distance between you, your mind and this thing. So I think notes are great for second drafts, but first drafts, oh my god, pen and paper for sure.
What's the psychological difference in taking pen paper notes versus...
I suspect it has something to do with the coordination between your mind and this entire, because we are visual and sensory beings, right? So when I'm holding the pen, when I'm putting it down on paper, there's something about it that makes me feel like I'm physically transferring this, synthesizing it and then putting it down on paper, which is also why journaling helps so much. Journal आप phone पे भी कर सकते हो, but it's not as recommended as journaling with pen and paper. It's almost like you're mind dumping, you're emptying your mind, and then it's almost like if this is your mind, you have like these many layers of thoughts, ठीक है, front, middle, back. फ्रंट के थॉट्स आप माइंड डंप कर रहे हो पेपर पे, खाली हो गया, अब मिडिल वाला सामने आएगा, फिर वो आपने डंप किया, फिर then something from the back will come which you don't even consciously realize that was there. And this is something that has happened with my clients as well, because people who don't have clarity with what's happened to them, what's happening to them right now and where they're going, for them it's very interesting and useful to understand when they put it down on paper. फिर क्या होता है कि okay, there's like a lot of clutter in my head right now, I'm putting it down on paper, खाली हो गया, empty हो गया. Now there's been so many times that my client, like one particular client in specific, by the 15th or the 16th day of writing in a journal, just mind dumping and asking all the right questions, whatever's in your head, just put it down on paper, trying to answer it. One particular event he remembers that happened years ago, that he didn't even remember that this was a thing or this happened to me, that came up to the forefront and that just like cleared everything for him. That question that he had for like I think years, that one incident that he remembered through writing, it came to the forefront. So there's a magnanimous difference between putting it down on a notes app versus a pen and paper. I also believe there's something to do with a generational thing. Like I think Gen Z is, or like Alpha, they're better with notes because they've grown up in that.
Yeah.
We, for example, like millennials and we've grown up using pen and paper. So I'm sure it also has to do something with that.
Yeah. No, of course it makes sense because I, for the longest time, did not have a diary.
Right.
And back when I was in Calcutta, I remember that I had my own startups. I was working on that, and I used to always come with a laptop. And my partner was like, "Tu diary rakh le yaar ek, please." And I tend to forget a lot of things. I used to forget a lot of things initially. So he's like, "You please maintain a diary," because he told me some things to do, and I was like, "Fuck, मैं भूल गया. Shit, what to do?" He's like, "Tu diary rakh. I'm gifting you a diary. You please keep this
it.
diary. Take
Yeah.
a pen. Please note things down.
Right.
तेरे को ऐसे नहीं लिखना है, तेरे को pointers लिखने हैं. तू लिखना. Why you not writing?" And he was like, I was like, okay, fair. डांट क्यों रहा है, मतलब relax कर, let me go through it, the process एक बार.
Right.
And since then I started maintaining a diary. Then I started maintaining multiple diaries for multiple purposes. One is for note taking, one is for to do, one is for scribbling. मतलब वो diary में बस कचरा है. I'm just writing and scribbling.
But that's how you think the best.
है ना?
You must have realized. Absolutely. Like, it's so neat, quite frankly, but I'm sure like you think this is like just rough drafting, whatever you've written here.
मतलब I started with this. और मतलब if you know, मतलब I've written like a bunch of things, communication and public speaking, personality development. Then I thought कि इसमें ये भी पॉइंट आ सकता है, तो यहाँ बीच में घुसा दिया. फिर आई वाज लाइक ये अंडरलाइन ग्रीन से किया है, इसमें मज़ा नहीं आ रहा है क्योंकि इसमें डिफ्रेंशिएशन नहीं हो पा रहा है,
Then
तो
you
एक
use the
पिंक पेन लेते हैं.
Yeah.
तो
But
आई
see,
डोंट नो, मतलब
that how effective that is what you can do with pen and paper,
या
right? Again, it's all sensory kahin na kahin. It's connects with the senses. Colors have their own psychology behind it, right? So if I'm not able to differentiate between two different ideas, might as well use a different colored pen.
या
And then when you're later on, when you're thinking about it or trying to recall it, this visual imagery will come in your mind. Ki mera, this is what I wrote and this is what the paper looks like.
एंड ऑल्सो द
Pink,
पेन
green.
कि ओ ये मैंने पिंक से लिखा था, ये याद आ रहा है, कुछ तो याद आ रहा है.
Exactly. So it's like if you close your eyes, you'll remember what the page looked like.
हाँ.
And there's so many things working together to solidify it in your mind that we don't even realize.
crazy.
It's wild.
Hello guys, thank you so much for watching the video. If you liked it, please like, share, subscribe, share it around on your WhatsApp, on your Instagram, Tinder, Bumble, every single where, because we need that traction. But thank you so much for watching the video, and you will come across every new clip every single day. So don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys around. Thank you. Cheers.